Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam sejahtera. My name is Nur Aisyah binti Mat Ambiah from GBA 1144G. So today, I will present about my individual assignment, FIN327, Bursa to launch FTSE for Good Bursa Malaysia Shariah Index in July. And I will explain more about the benefits and disadvantages of listing in Shariah Index. So what is FTSE for Good? The Financial Times Stock Exchange Russell Group manage the FTSE for Good Index series, which is a collection of socially responsible or ESG stock indexes. FTSE. The goal of these indices is to highlight companies that perform well in corporate social responsibility metrics, CSR. After we know about the meaning of FTSE for Good, now I will proceed with the benefits of Shariah Index. Okay, so the first advantages of Shariah Index is clarity. In other words, is transparency. Clarity is in Islamic Index is Islamic equity fund investors expect a high level of transparency. After all, if one of a fund's primary goals is to adhere to Sharia law, the fund managers must be open about which industries and companies they invest in. Second, financial screening. Considering a company's financials, including how much debt it carries, is part of the screening process for determining whether an equity asset is Sharia compliant. Islamic equity funds avoid investing in companies with a lot of debt. As a result, Islamic funds may be thought of as more conservative and slightly less risky than some traditional equity funds. Alright, according to Damis.com, the third benefit of Shariah Index is diversification. Investing in any fund, Islamic or conventional, that buys assets from multiple companies reduces the risk of losing capital if a company declares bankruptcy or closes its doors due to a disaster. And the last one is liquidity. For the Islamic investor, one advantage of investing in a fund over a fixed-term investment is liquidity. When circumstances change and the investor wishes or needs to cash out, it is much easier to do so when the investment is in a fund. However, keep in mind that, on average, Islamic investments, including Islamic funds, are less liquid than their conventional counterparts. Okay, right now we move to the challenges of listing Shariah Index. The main drawback or the biggest challenges to investing in Islamic equities is the limited options, whereas investors in conventional or traditional equities have so many selections that they can tailor a portfolio to meet any investment objective, while investors in Islamic funds have significantly fewer funds to choose from. Alright, that's all from me about the benefits and challenges in listing Shariah Index. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera.